Hello everyone, I am Monica Mishra and I am here to put my points on the question that hardworking teachers are the one who often get burned out. Well, I am from India, so I'll basically speak about India, the teachers in Indian context. I think that 10% of the facilitators in India, especially in small places where they don't have too much job opportunities, the teachers are most those who have done something, some other education in their life, but because they don't have the occupation, or because they are married and have kids, they just change themselves into a teacher by doing some professional course, and then they become a teacher. But teaching does not become their first priority or their first liking. So I think the first major issue is not the hard work that they involve themselves in, but the acceptance. They do not accept this job as their favorite one. They feel as a burden. As soon as they get a work, they are worked up. They get burned out instantly when they listen to a work, because the stress is here. From here the burnout starts. The hard work is still remaining. So we can not say that only the hard working teachers get burned out. It is acceptance, I think, one of the major reason here for the teachers burned out. Secondly, I would like to say that hard work, if you have invested your work, your ideas, your time in something which is going to give you a very satisfying result, the anticipation of that result coming makes the hard work a little fun, or an adventure, or something that we are looking forward to, and we are not just doing it for the purpose of just finishing it off. So I think that hard work should be planned properly, so that we do not stress ourselves. We can say that hard work should become smart work, and then it will not make the teachers burned out. If we think that there is hard work in this work involved, make a team, divide the work, take ideas, share it with your colleagues, and then enjoy it like a festival or a celebration or function that we are going to behold, so that we do not get burned out of that situation. We do not have to involve too much in it, but still, by sharing the ideas of other people with you, we get many new things and improve our knowledge, improve our skills, and learn many new things, and do not get burned out of that work. Third, I would like to say that, like I said, hard work should be changed into smart work. The anticipation of result often makes it very happy. Then we do not feel like I have done a lot of hard work and it goes in vain if the result is satisfying. So we have to first decide and plan, which is very specifically very important part of a teacher's line, that we have to plan appropriately, change that work into exciting for both teachers and the students. Share with your colleagues, share their ideas, make it more innovative, and then we will never get burned out. So not only working teachers get burned out, the teachers who don't accept the work and don't want to involve it in an exciting way, they often get burned out. Thank you.